Dean Davis, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist here. Time for a weekly outlook. So let's take a look at temperatures. You can see where we have the jet stream pulling in here, cold air sitting here in the Intermountain West and Upper Midwest, and the warm air here filtering in to the southeast. A lot of this is due to a high pressure system that's sitting out here, bringing this warm air in, and the cool air back here towards Roanoke and the area coming off of the high around the high pressure system. It's called cold air damming, where you get cold air trapped in the mountainous regions, such as the regions of Roanoke and those areas, which are considered mountainous regions of the Appalachians, where the air gets trapped in between the mountains, and you get cold air filtering down. Cold nights and warmer days, but over the next couple of days, we're going to see warm temperatures move eastward, and this is definitely going to shift, and we're going to see that coming up here. Mid-Atlantic temperatures, you can see New Jersey 57 here at AC, Philly 57 in Philly, 59 Wilmington. You go 64 out here in Washington D.C. area, 57 Charlottesville, 57 in Roanoke, and in the Triad area 57 degrees. So you get, like I said, you get that, and the warm temperatures back here towards the Duke of Kentucky and Nashville, Tennessee, and the further south and west you go, the warmer temperatures have been. Like I said, the cold air damming sitting in here along the Appalachians and Blue Ridge Mountains. And I'll pull a pressure map up here, and this will show you where there is the jet stream and where there is highs and lows. Low sitting up here, and a high sitting off the coast. That's why I said filtering warm air. The closer this together, the windier it is, the more isobars. So this is your general pattern for the jet stream as you look at that. So that's one I'll show you, with these pressure maps. So you can just tell by a pressure map where you have your highs and your lows, just based on different things, and where you get your pattern, where you get the warm air filtering. Like I said, warm air is going to filter in here towards the northeast and warm us up in the next few days significantly. Here's some synoptic maps. Like I said, a low pressure sitting over here in the Midwest. We're filtering the warm air, some shower thunderstorms possibilities. The warm air filters out in front of the front here in the eastern United States, and rain and snow out here along the Pacific Northwest and the Intermountain West continues on. You see that low develop, a dry line develops, some thunderstorms down here in Texas. Also along the front here, Pittsburgh, back down to Duke, Kentucky, and into Arkansas. And this will move east slowly, and it'll give you the chance to have showers and thunderstorms throughout the entire east and southeast, and that'll continue through Tuesday and into Wednesday. We get a stronger cold front coming through the Midwest with a high pressure pushing warmer and cooler weather, in, and warmer weather trying to kick out, but not quite getting a boost that it should. We move along, the front moves in, the high pressure builds into the Intermountain West, and this will start pushing east over the day period. You see low near Roanoke, then the high, strong high, starts building into Midwestern areas. Cool air filters down the mountains, warm air behind it, coming around this next front, coming out of Alaska, strong front here coming down, and that could develop some severe weather midweek. The high pressure, 1032 high, builds right over Roanoke Valley. Strong flow around it, warm air and mild air. Just sitting here in the northeast and mid-Atlantic states, and it continues into day 7. The high pressure at 1032 is very strong. It's going to hold on, and it's going to keep this front into the Midwest. The only thing that you're going to see here is a 1028 high, battle with 1032 high, so it's going to keep this front pretty sturdy here until this high can break down. When this high can break down is when you'll get the next round of inclement weather for the eastern United States. Severe weather potential will be up here in the Ohio Valley and also down here in southern Texas. And then when we push it to the east on Tuesday, possibly along the eastern seaboard, there will be a slight chance, and in the Louisiana, Mississippi area. There's 2 areas you have to watch. Tuesday for some isolated severe weather, nothing big and bad. So, the Roanoke Valley forecast, including and up to Washington, D.C. Partly cloudy overnight, 45 degrees, 73 on Monday, 52 a chance of showers late night into Tuesday, with showers likely, 65. 54 on Tuesday night, 64 on Wednesday with showers. That'll lead into around midnight on Wednesday night with 39, 50 degrees then on Thursday with mostly sunny skies. And we look towards the weekend possibly getting back into some precipitation before the weekend gets in. Saturday and Sunday actually look to be in the 50s to 60s with nice, beautiful sunny skies that the high pressure will build in. Alright, for the Washington, D.C. forecast, 68 degrees on Monday, 53 with showers coming in Monday night through Wednesday night, 53 at night, 50 at night, 66 on Tuesday, 58 on Wednesday, and then we get a cool, very little cool down on Thursday, 49 degrees before we have the high pressure build in also, and continue to give us beautiful weather in the 60s by the time the weekend comes along. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com for any latest information. We're 2 days away from the official winter outlook, and we look to show you that coming up here. For liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist Dean Davidson. Have a great evening, and we'll talk to you soon.